So woke up to a little snow. I took a picture, sent it to a local news station, and they put it on their Facebook page. And today, Denny's is having their Veterans Special. Get a free Grand Slam if you're a veteran. So a buddy called me up and said, let's go to Denny's. Took some back roads.
Wood. Far out. Man, we're damn. Yeah, that really is pretty unique.
Look in the valley. Probably owns all that.
Yeah.
So got up on the interstate here, heading toward Denny's, and the roads were fine, just a little bit wet. But throughout the day, it is getting a little bit colder, and the news is reporting a lot of accidents, especially west of Oklahoma City. But this morning, the ground was just too warm to freeze on the road, so it wasn't too bad, I guess. So we pulled in the Denny's here, expecting a long wait, but man, we got seated right away, got our breakfast, and man, it was delicious. So thanks to Denny's, really appreciate that you doing that for us veterans. After Denny's, took a drive to South Lake Stanley Draper, which is in the southeast part of Oklahoma City area. Very windy, cold, and snowy up here on this dam on the south side of the reservoir. Really, really scenic up here though too. And I've got some video of us coming back through here. Alright, just went over the south side of the reservoir where the dam is and pointed the truck toward the northwest. And I got out and took a walk as my buddy was talking and doing some business on the phone. And check this out right here. Here I am coming into frame here on the right, acting like a dork, of course. But it was pretty wild. It was windy and cold. What am I trying to do there? Fly or something?
That's correct.
Hey, I just had a Denny's. Life is great.
Mine is pretty good. It is pretty good. 15.
We'll go up. See it's getting darker
I see that.
over there.
Alright, this is a pretty good view of the dam on this reservoir. And I decided to park here and do some time lapse of these cloud formations. And then we drove back over it. And this is where it's kind of fun and cool. Wind kind of picked up a little bit and made for a very interesting little drive.
Across the road up here, man. Look at that.
Yeah, this will be a nice little fucking video. Window's pretty much clear. Ooh, good song for this, Waterfall. My favorite Hendrix song.
You know, in the summertime when everything's green and alive, this is really, really pretty up here on this dam drive. But right now with this weather blowing in, you know, with the mist and the whitecaps and all that, made for a kind of a cool little drive.
There's
far. Oh, man.
Go out there and get a picture of you.
I'll stay right up there on top.
That's why you get on top, wave at me. I'll take a couple shots there.
You get up there?
Yeah.
Alright guys, going to start wrapping this video up. Thanks for watching. I know many probably won't really like this type of video on my channel, but I really like doing these time-lapse videos and dash cam and show you a little piece of my world. And just want to say thanks to all the veterans out there, and we'll see you next time.